Dog collar.
What was it?
16. That, it's like, oh, that hurts. Ow. Dog collar on 16. Zap. Okay, we're good.
Get off of it. It doesn't let him pull it.
Start, pull. Start. Checker. Hey guys. I'm trying to edit the prank that I just made. So it might go today. I'm trying to edit it, but I'm having trouble sharing the video between my second camera to the camera I used right here. So I'm gonna try to make it go up today. If it doesn't go today, I'm sorry. But here's some video of
You be good boy.
the dog. So yeah, you guys see that. See you later. Remember to smile more.
Stop.
So we just did the Not My Arms challenge. It's up on video. It's up today. By the time this vlog goes up, it should be up. We did a prank today. That's up. Here's Tracker. He's starting the prank. You have to see what it was. And yeah, so now me and A, we're gonna go get some food. So yeah, see you later. Food vlog.
What type of food? Well, to us, it's not food. It's technically what we drink from cows. That's not what I was talking about. Oh. I was talking about what we were talking about yesterday.
Nick, keeps the doctor away. Food vlog. I'm eating a oatmeal cream pie. Test 1. Hey guys, so I'm sorry for such a short vlog. Well, not short. Sorry if it's a short vlog today. I've been busy. I mean, you saw the prank that went up today. You probably saw that we did the challenge. So the vlog's gonna be because of that, the vlog's short. So if we put those into the vlog, it'd be long. But since they're not in the vlog, it's short. Please forgive me. I'll try to make the vlog long tomorrow. So yeah, thanks. See you tomorrow.